Can I tell y'all a story? There was a yellow bird with a yellow bill. He was sitting and shitting upon my windowsill. I lured him in with crumbs of bread, and then I took a hammer and I smashed his fucking head. A yellow bird with a yellow bill. He was sitting and shitting upon my windowsill. So I lured him in with the teeny tiny crumbs of bread, and then I found a great big hammer and I smashed his fucking head. You stupid bird, sitting on my windowsill and shitting, you ate my bread. And that's why I commenced to putting a dent upside your fucking head.